الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Just as good food is needed to keep the human body strong and healthy, the human brain needs good ideas are vital for better growth too. Books are the best guide to meet these needs because studying books broadens thought and creates new and innovative ideas. Dear brothers and sisters, to create these capabilities in your children, it is mandatory to make them book friendly, and there are some tips that will be very useful. Number one, children usually try to copy their elders, so make yourself a role model for your children and study in front of them. Even if they are only a few months or a few years old, your actions will have an impact on them. Number two, when children grow up a little, they can be told short, easy stories in an interesting manner because stories increases children's intelligence besides arousing their desire for study and making them develop the habit of reading books. But make sure that the stories you tell must not have any negative impact on them. So avoid telling stories that are contrary to Sharia. Number three, do not force your children to read books or listen to stories, but rather lovingly persuade them into studying books because your act of forcing or scolding them may make them lose interest in study. And once a child's attention shifts to another thing, it will be difficult to make him develop the habit of studying books. Number four, make a room and name it library even if it has very few books. In this way, the library will become a part of children's life unconsciously. Number five, according to your financial position, include a portion of the cost of books in your monthly expenditure. Number five, take children to a bookshop from time to time. Number seven, sometimes make your children visit the nearby library in the city. Introduce them to different parts of the library and give them practice in having access to a book from the library index. Number eight, when you observe that children have become fans to the books, make sure that they have a specific time and, if possible, fix a particular place to study so they can study better. May Allah Azza wa Jal grant us ability to act upon what we have listened today. Ameen bijahi Nabiyil Ameen wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.